Hello YouTube, this is ISOSense, and in this episode I am going to bring to you guns in Minecraft. How cool is that? But in the series I will be working on Java programming on Eclipse or Intel J. But for a starter, let's go with an easier program, and in this program it will be called Eclipse. So make sure to download it from the description down below. And just the most I would like from you is that you enjoy my series and you learn from it and do better. Alright, so let's get started here. Let's do File, New, Java Project. Let's name the Java project Guns for the win, whatever. Okay, now just right click, Properties, or Shift L, then Java build path, add external jars. Then craft bucket or jar, or buckets or split jar, or whatever you have, just something which you could use which applies to buckets. Okay, so we've done that. Now let's just open that up and press SRC new package, and let's name the package me.isosens. Let's go with guns for the win. That's gonna be awesome, guys. Now new class, let's name the class guns. Okay, let's go. Then we'll just start with, so let's get into the real episode here. In this episode we will be making a gun which shoots snowballs which take a lot of damage on any type of item, people, creepers, anything which you name, we'll do it. Okay, what you have to do now is go space, implements. No, let's just do extends Java plugin implements listener. So right here it says that it's implementing the listener, and it's the Java plugin which we will be doing the episode on. And the Java plugin is based off of Craft Bucket. It gets a bit confusing at first, but always make sure to have that on every single work which you do. Okay, now we just do public void on enable, then let's make our enable buckets.get server dot get plugin manager dot register events, not events but events, because that is key to your coding. And let's make it this and this. Now let's go to the next column, let's go there, and then we get to start the event handler at event handler public void on player interact events player interact don't spell it wrong, event E, and E is key to it. Now let's just import player and interact event and event handler so there are no mistakes on our coding. So now this is not import, sorry about that, guys. Now just do if, then this question mark, or e.get action equals action, right click L, and let's make it our return after that so it could read our coding we've done so far. So basically what this is saying is, if we right click the gun or the item which you have in your hand, it will shoot a snowball, but we haven't got into that yet. Now let's just start it on. All we have to do is if exclamation e.get item .get type, then let's do equals material dot, let's make it iron hole. That would be so cool. Then let's just do return. Don't spell as bad as me, guys. Okay, then we just go e.get player .launch projectile, and let's make it snowball.class. Okay, then we just do that. Now we're working on a new at event handler, which will be shooting the ball at event handler don't spell as bad as me. Public void on entity damage. Then let's go entity damage by entity events, and let's make it E then. That then we'll just do E and E dot get damager. No, E dot get damager. Then we'll do instance of snowball, because that will be what we are shooting. It gets a bit confusing at first, but once the plugin is activated, you will see that it's much better. Then snowball s equals snowball, then E dot get damager. We're done for that part. It should all be good, but just ignore this for now. It looks like it's a mistake, but it is not. We will be activating it in just a second. Then we'll just do if s dot shooter get shooter the instance of player, because that is what the instance is of. And let's go ahead and import player. Okay, then we'll just do player shooter equals then player, then s dot get shooter. Okay, we're doing really well so far, guys. Just keep it up. If dot shooter dot get item in hand, then let's go dot get type, and let's just leave that blank for now. Actually, no, let's just start it here. Then we'll do material dot iron hole. Okay, so we've done that for a good start. And then we'll just do E dot set damage, and let's make the damage 20.0, because that will be a huge damage rate. But I'm not sure what I did wrong. Maybe there we go. There, that's much better. I just accidentally pressed space when there was a bracket here, and make sure the bracket is not there. Also be shown as an incorrect item. Okay, so we've just done our guns.java and we've activated the gun, and all we have to do now is just command save, then we'll right click, guns for the win, new file, and let's name the file plugin.yml. Okay, now let's just jump into that, and then all we have to do now is name guns, because it's called guns. Now let's do version 1.0 main, and the main is what your main plugin is. So for example, I will show you mine. It is me.isosins.guns for the win. So I would go me.isosins.guns ftw for the win, and then to make it so it's like the core and it reads the information here onto the server, we will just do guns and make sure it's the correct grammar in all of it, or it will not work. Let's make the description guns in Minecraft, which is so cool. So we've basically just made our plugin. Ignore the Minecraft because it's shown as incorrect, but it is incorrect in terms of our coding. So now let's export it to our server. Now let's go refresh, export, and let's click draw file, keep those there, and let's name this guns for the win. Okay, and make sure it goes to your plugin folder on your server, and my server is Lichcraft TS. Just ignore that for now. And it's under plugins, and it will be set as guns for the win down to the plugin folder. And look at that, guns for the win right there. Doing well as it started, and it should function properly. So let's just take a look on this right here. And let's just open Minecraft. Actually no, I have Minecraft open right now, but just pretend you're opening Minecraft. So guns is loading, which is awesome, which we wanted. So now the server is open. Now we can click localhost, press join server, and now, okay, let's just do clear. Okay, now let's go into our game mode 1, E, then inventory. Let's click on the inventory. Then let's click on iron hole, because that's what our item was. And let's take a look to see the work. Let's see. Look at that. So if we get our creeper egg, let's like put it right there. Look at that, 1 hit, just with a snowball. That proves to us that our plugin has worked. See, boom, 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 and boom. Look at that, it is perfect. Let's go kill these mobs. There we go, guys. Alright, so it worked very, very well indeed. Okay, now let's just get into here. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed my video.